What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Prostadine before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Prostadine works. What is Prostadine? Prostadine is a synergistic blend of natural ingredients, each chosen for its potential benefits in improving prostate health and urinary function. This supplement aims to provide men with a safe and effective way to manage their prostate health as they age. How does Prostadine work? Prostadine works by targeting the root causes of prostate issues, primarily focusing on the removal of toxic mineral buildup in the body that can affect prostate health. Additionally, it supports the overall health of the urinary tract and bladder, contributing to improved kidney function and reducing symptoms like frequent urination. Conclusion: Prostadine stands out as a comprehensive solution for those seeking natural support for prostate health, offering benefits backed by scientific research. Its unique formulation not only addresses existing prostate issues but also promotes overall urinary and kidney health, making it a valuable supplement for men's wellness.